Hey there! Ever thought about diving into the tech scene but felt a bit lost because you are not a computer whiz? Or maybe you are super keen on starting a tech career but aren't sure where to begin? Well, worry no more because I've got just the thing for you. Say hello to our free Scrum Workshop, a cool opportunity made specially for folks like you who want to dive toes into tech pool. This isn't your typical boring lecture. Nope. We are all about getting hands-on and diving right into action. Plus, you'll have the unique opportunity to witness the journey of a student brand new to Scrum as he gradually makes progress. Get ready to discover your hidden talents, learn some awesome new tricks, and kickstart your journey to success in the tech world, all while having a blast. Who should hop on board? Well, anyone curious about a career in Scrum or just looking to up their game in the getting stuff done. And guess what? It won't cost you a dime, and it's only 5 hours long. Check out the details below to sign up. Don't miss out this chance to level up your skills and unlock your full potential. See you inside.
Oh no no